Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tuesdays with Dr. T. Today I am in a different spot, as you can see. This is actually my personal space. In anywhere that I have lived, I always put like a space separate where I will pray, do my namaz, and then a little bit of meditation and yoga, as well as reading. And I love having fresh flowers and plants to help me breathe in fresh air and whatnot. So today's topic is very much different than what we usually talk about. So today I'm going to talk about essential oils for autism. And I want to make it like a series where I'm going to talk about how you can use essential oils and specifically talk about a particular brand that I always love and use and absolutely swear by. And then how you can use essential oils to overcome autism related challenges, to help with your child's brain development, to help with your child's gut healing, also for mood, meltdown, sleep, health, everything. Are you interested? Let's jump right in. I don't know if you guys know this. Some of you might. I highly recommend you guys to also follow me in Instagram if you are not. And if you're coming from Instagram, hello there again. You probably knew that I was in Mexico for 5 days. So I was there to have like a vacation, and it was all expense paid. Anyways, over there I get to learn a lot about doTERRA oils. Specifically, the oils that we were given and the oils that we were testing were a lot different than what we usually do. And if you are someone who's a mini course student, you probably know about the top 5 essential oils that we use for our full paid program students inside our community. The top 5 essential oils that I have been diligently using and prescribing and advising and recommending to all of our students inside Autism Success Academy and inside our programs were Adaptive, then Copaiba, Serenity, Frankincense, and Digest Zen. I don't have all of this in front of me right now, but I have some of them and I have some new oils for you as well. First of all, what is essential oil? Essential oils are essentially extracted with the gentlest method from various fruits, vegetables, herbs, however you call them, plants, shrubs, everything. So we use a technique to distill out the oils that is carrying the most highly concentrated amount of active ingredients. So for example, if I have, let's say what is this? Let's say I have a Siberian fir. So if I have this Siberian fir, this is essentially the oil that has been distilled out from Siberian fir, the tree. So every single oil that is available in the world, if produced with the highest quality, which doTERRA does, then those oils have more multiplied results and support and actions than just smelling good. One of the reasons why I waited for several years to actually talk about essential oils in public like that is because I had a notion that aromatherapy or therapies like that are just surface level. I thought that they don't work really deep. They're just something to smell good. They're for pleasure, for luxury, not essentials. I am the kind of person, I can spend thousands and thousands of dollars if I deem something essential. And if I feel something is not essential, I will not even spend $1. That's the kind of person I am. When I was introduced to the oils, I took them a lot of time to really go deep and see how it affected me. So the last 5 days that I spent in Mexico, I got all the time in the world to use them, to enamor themselves on me, and I am a changed woman. I have become your oil lady now. So the few oils that I have really loved in the course of using them, as well as for the autism kids, the 5 that I have already mentioned are Digest Zen. Digest Zen essential oil, it helps with digestion, of your child. So if your child is going through constipation, even diarrhea, bloating, flatulence, just like sluggish digestion, you can use Digest Zen. The second essential oil that I recommend very highly and use for our students is what's the other one? Adaptive. So the oil Adaptive is like a supportive oil. It really helps the whole nervous system and the whole biology of the body to adapt to new changes and to the weather, to stress and all of those things. I really love Adaptive, and all of these oils, they have a lot of uses, not just one or two. I'm just sharing the most important uses that comes in the top of my mind, and I want to make sure that this is not a very big training, just a small one, so that you can get the most important information fast. The third important oil that we use is frankincense. Frankincense in Bible, it says it was given to Jesus. I have to go through and find if it says same in Quran, but I do believe that frankincense is a very holy and culturally used for millions, thousands of years. I don't know, for millions, not sure, but pretty much sure it has been used for thousands of years because of its cleansing property, because of its grounding properties. Frankincense really helps autism kids with their meltdown, with their calming of the nervous system, with the spiritual growth of the adults as well. I love to use the frankincense at the bottom of the feet, a little bit at the top of my crown, the crown chakra, a little bit on my third eye area over here. All of this way, frankincense helps me and my kids also, and also the kids that I work with, to live a more balanced and regulated nervous system. The fourth oil that I absolutely love is Serenity. Serenity, even for me, I love the word serenity. My tagline is designing serenity for neurodiversity. Serenity is essentially made mostly of lavender and some other oils as well. I don't have it on me now. I think it is somewhere in another room. Serenity, as the name suggests, helps your child or you to calm down. So let's say you yourself is having like a meltdown, or you are feeling like you are gonna explode, get angry. Rather than kill somebody, it's the easiest way to calm yourself down is put some Serenity on your palm or in your pulse points, rub them in. That's how you inhale. And because you are inhaling the essential oils, it goes to the brain very fast. I haven't seen a more fastest resulting thing that we can use to use our grounding nervous system, calm down, faster enough. The other one that we absolutely love, the last one, is copaiba. Copaiba is actually from a very old tree. The roots of that tree is used for the oil, and this is also a sacred oil. And it also helps with emotional regulation, for sleep, for calming, for hyperactivity, for focus, and all of the things. So apart from the 5 essential oils that I recommend for the kids on the spectrum, the other few things that I have been using as adult for the last few days is Whisper, doTERRA Whisper. Whisper helps you to calm your energetic balances. So for the women who have been trying to lead a very masculine life like me, doing everything, being everything, like pushing, being in control, it helps you to relax. It helps you to be in your feminine self. And my husband is gonna really acknowledge that, because he's saying that you are a changed woman. You went like a male woman and you came back a female woman. And yeah, every woman wants to be a female woman, not a male woman. Anyways, that being said, what I have really loved about all of the oils is that, for example, lemon eucalyptus, this you can use instead of insecticide, instead of pesticide, instead of those chemical Odomos, kind of mosquito repellent and things that you have to put on your child's body when the sun comes out, or when your child is going for a camping trip, or it's summer, they want to play outside, there's lots of mosquitoes, malaria, whatever the things going on. This will actually help your child. It's like a bug repellent, the simplest, safest bug repellent in the world. And you can also clean your whole home with this one. Take a little bit of vinegar in water, to clean up the floor and mop the floor and put like 1 or 2 drops, your whole home is gonna smell amazing, and it's going also has antiseptic properties. If there is a cut or like a bug biting and things like that, just put 1 drop, you are good. Let me know in the comments how you like this, and if you want ingredients, how to make recipes with recipes for fever, recipes for detox. I have a big plan on bringing essential oils to you guys and make the knowledge for free, because I have decided in 2025 I am gonna help at least 1,000 or 5,000 mothers and fathers and kids on the spectrum, so that you guys can have like a more loving, grounding, happy, calm life. So one more important announcement. By the way, this Friday on Valentine's Day, I'm gonna do our biggest webinar ever. I am gonna share the DIY version of our programs. Yes, I'm gonna share how you can do the diet change, what sort of diet you're gonna follow, give you a meal plan for that. I'm gonna do detox protocol for that. I'm gonna give you some detox protocol that you can use the essential oils. You don't have to pay us anything, whatnot. Just go and use my link. When you use my link, it helps me to give you additional support. So for example, you are having a hard time finding the shipping for oils, or you don't know how to use them and things like that. We are gonna help you if you use our link to order, okay? No additional cost for you, by the way. You don't have to pay anything extra to me or whatever. We will just help you. Okay, so do come to the webinar. I'm gonna post the link in the description. Don't miss it. You're gonna get over $755 worth of free knowledges, of free strategies, of informations and step-by-step guidelines that if you really use, you are gonna change your and your child's life and future. So I'm gonna see you in the webinar. I'm gonna also share how to use essential oils for detox in the webinar. So if you come to the webinar, register for it, come to the webinar and stay until the end, you will get all of those benefits, as well as you will be the first few people who can book our free clarity call and decide if the full program and the investment and the fast results, getting results in 2-3 months is your jam or not. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Bye.